and welcome to Real Nose Engineering. In today's video, we'll be discussing all about recurrent neural network. So what is the main use of recurrent neural network? Why the implication of recurrent neural network came up? So the main or key point of recurrent neural network is the maintaining the sequence of data. And the sequence of data is maintained with the time series. So what is the meaning of sequence of data? Suppose I will give the review of some product. The product is good. Okay, so this is a review or this is a sentence. Okay, suppose the sequence is altered, like is product good the. So you can see in the second sentence the sequence is altered. So when the sequence is altered, the machine or the system will not be able to predict the correct output. It will not be able to understand what is the sentence, proper sentence. But in the first, the machine will understand, okay, the review, this is a review for the product, and the review is the product is good. I mean the review is a positive review. So it's very important to maintain the sequence of information in case of your recurrent neural network. Okay, suppose I'm explaining, and that is with a time series. So what is a time series? That I'll be explaining while explaining the diagram. So I can say, suppose this sentence is inputted to the neural network. Okay, so this is actually the diagram of a recurrent neural network, and the next one, this is an expanded diagram of this neural network. So this is a one neural network, and I have represented this single neural network. I have drawn it 4 times. This is a single neural network. I have just drawn it 4 times to make you understand. Okay, so let's understand the mechanism of recurrent neural network. Suppose I will input this sentence to the recurrent neural network. So what? First, D will be inputted. Okay, D will be inputted at time equal to 1. At time equal to 1, t equal to 1, D will be inputted. Okay, when D will be given as input, it will produce some output. The recurrent neural network will produce some output. Then at t equal to 2, the next word is what? Product will be inputted. Product. Okay, at time equal to 2, the input is product. But here one more thing is, while inputting the product, the previous at t equal to 1, whatever the previous output, that will also be given as input. Okay, with its respective weight values. Again, the next word is at time equal to 3. Okay, so at time equal to 3, the input is as well as the previous output, that is at time t equal to 2, whatever will be the output, that will be also inputted. Okay, again at time equal t equal to 4, the input is good. This is the input as well as the previous state output. The previous state output, that is your at time t equal to 3. So each time, you can say each time the previous state is also given at each time series t equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. The previous state output is also given as with the current input. The previous state output is also given. So what it basically, it helps. This is why this is done. This is done to help the maintains the sequence of information. That's why I have used the term time series. It is maintained. Why the time series is used? To maintain the sequence of information. With it can only be maintained with the help of what? Time series. Okay, so this is the concept of your recurrent neural network. Okay, and these are the weight values. This is the weight value. As you know, in recurrent neural network there are some weight values. Okay, so these are the respective weight values which corresponding to input, and this is the respective weight values with corresponding to your output. These weight values are similar. I mean W1, 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 W1. This is W dash, W dash, W dash, and W dash. Okay, so that's why this is the expanded form. This is a singular form. I have given a loop. You can see a loop over here. This loop signifies the previous state output. I mean, suppose now the state is t equal to n, so till t equal to n minus 1, or suppose this is a state of at time t equal to 2, so t equal to 1, state output will be given as n. The basic idea behind the recurrent neural network. And one more idea of recurrent neural network is, whenever I am inputting a sentence to the recurrent neural network, the system cannot understand the English language. So what happens? This sentence is, each word is converted to its vector form. So what is the meaning of vector form? Suppose there are 100 words present over here. 100 words present over here, and the word the is present at 59 index. So all others will be 0, only this will be your 1, because this is the place where the will be present. Similarly, suppose the word product is present at index 75. Okay, product is present, this is a product, so all else will be 0, only this one will be your 1. So this is a vector representation of words. So all words will be changed to your vector form, because the machine cannot understand English language. There are other technique also, like glove, what to bake. These are the other techniques where these individual words are given some numerical value. Like if I give a numerical value 0.98, 0.74, 0.56. Okay, so these are some of the technique used to change these words, these English words, to a numerical value, so that the machine will able to interpret it. Okay, so if you like the video, do share the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.